Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm using the Ooni Pro. I'm going to be cooking a bread flour dough pizza. Let's go make it. Here we are. My oven is very hot and my flames are looking good. So I'm just going to check the stone temperature. So what I'm going to do is I'll keep this pizza closer to the side. Right, let's just check to see if this is moving on my peel. It is. Blow the excess flour and semolina off, and now it's ready to go in. So I'm interested to see if this does any like leoparding or anything. I was really impressed with the way it stretched. So I used exactly the same recipe, it's in the description box below, as my pizza dough. And I did the same kneading as well, I put in the bread maker on the pizza dough option for the knead, and I proofed it exactly the same as my pizza dough in a plastic tub for 24 hours. And yeah. It's got some nice bubbles coming up, which I don't normally get with my pizza flour. Not that big. Ooh, well, that's not bad. My gosh, that's really surprised me. Okay, I'm a bit impressed with this flour actually. Let's wait till the cook ends for a final verdict. Okay, that's done. So this is the flour I used. It says pizza bases. Yeah. Right. Let's. Nice crunchy crust. Good cook on the base as well. Try those sausage pieces with barbecue. Wow. So those are smoky pieces of sausage. So they're chopped frankfurter sausages, barbecue sauce. And this dough, let me taste the crust of the dough and see if I can taste the difference between this and proper pizza dough. It's very crunchy. The taste is more like bread. Look at that bubble there. I mean, if you can't get your hands on pizza flour, this is not bad at all. I wasn't expecting this at all. I'm pleasantly, really surprised. I'm like, it's a good thing, but it does taste different. It tastes like, you know, more like bread. It cooks really well. I mean, it's different crust and everything, but look, it's cooked. Not bad at all. This proves my bread maker makes good dough as well. I mean, you can tell that it's bread flour, but I thought it was going to come out like a big lump of puff, like a puff ball, but it really stretched really easily. And I was, when I rip it now, it doesn't rip anything like pizza flour. It's more crunchy and the structure's different. Nevertheless, if you can't get hold of pizza flour, it's not bad. Hope you enjoyed this vid. Hope you found it helpful. Take care and see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.